Baby girl. What should you tell when you are buying you? Be more careful though, you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK gang, welcome back or welcome to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be showing you guys how I get my puffs to be bigger than it really is. This is an all wash and go day 6, and I'll leave the link to that video down below. First, I'm gonna be starting off with water, and I'll be spraying the water around my hairline. I'll be doing the same with the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. Listen, I can't part here straight, you know, I just try a thing. So yeah, just part your hair down in the middle, all the way down, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna be adding more water into the middle of my hair and also more leave-in conditioner. A pick is better to use, but I'll be using a wide tooth comb, not to comb the curls out, but just to comb the roots up so I can get the ponytail to be smooth and nice, you know? Yeah. I'll be using Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel for this hairstyle. Brush it in, and make sure so it's smooth and nice, laid and slayed. Yeah. So now what I did is I cut the hair tie. Yes, it worked better that way for me. This is how I get my puffs to be bigger. The tighter you pull the hair tie, the smaller your puff will be. So it's up to you to know how big you want your puff to be. See how the puff nice and fluffy? Yeah, you. So I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. Just watch and see. After doing the 2 puffs, I'll be adding more gel around the hairline so that I can put my scarf around my hair, just to make sure my hairstyle is smooth, laid, and slayed. If you want your hairstyle to last, trust me, the scarf works. Just tie your edges, tie your hairstyle, tie it up, and trust me, that hairstyle will last all day, baby. I'll be using the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Hair Sheen just to give my puffs a little shine, you know, just to make it look fresh again. I'll be going in again with the wide tooth comb, just making the puffs bigger. I'm back. Your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. Shout out to all of Destiny and her sister Boone for that one. Hey! So this is the final look. I did a good job. Okay, I see you. Please remember to subscribe if you made it to the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. And please to hit that bell to get notification when I post videos. See you in my next upload. Bye.
And I say smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica.